This video is to show you the difference in the subscriptions between the basic surplus list and the enhanced surplus list. So what you're looking at is the basic surplus list, and you can see that the fields you receive, the county, auction date, homestead, the bidding figures, including the ending surplus, tax deed, parcel, property address, and then we also give you the links for that particular county's document website, the property appraiser, clerk of court, tax collector, official records, and then if you are a member of Florida Overbids, a direct link to that county's page. So those are the fields that you receive with the basic list, and in a moment I'm going to show you quickly how to what you would do with this list once you have it. But I'm going to switch over to the enhanced version. Now the enhanced version, you receive all the same records as with the basic list. The only difference is that for any record where the surplus is over $10,000, we will research it and add the owner's name, their mailing address if there is a separate mailing address available, and then a list of any documents that are put on the ownership and encumbrance report, along with the book and page number of those documents so that you can look them up to see if it's a lien, and if so, how much, because that lien may take some or all of the surplus. And then we also have record notes, anything that we find that you may need to know, we'll put in there. Now for any record where the surplus is below 10,000 and we have not researched it, you're going to follow the same instructions that we're about to show you for all of the records on the basic surplus list. So here, let's say you've received this list and you want to look up this record. There is 14,000 in surplus. Let me scoot back over. This is for Volusia County. And so the first thing we want to do is find out if there are any liens on the record. And we're going to go to the documents website and look up the tax deed number, which is here. So you would just click the documents web link. Now in the case of Volusia County, you can search by certificate number, which is not one of the pieces of information we include in the records. So you would choose the sale date, which in this case was June 19th, and it shows you all the records, and you just find the one with that tax deed number that you were looking at. And Volusia County does not separate their documents. They put their title reports, the tax deed, mailing information, everything into one large PDF. So once you click on that, you do have to scroll and find the whatever they give you, the ownership and encumbrance or the title report. And I'm just going to quickly scroll through because I am familiar with what they look like. And here we go. A company named Red Vision provides the reports for Volusia County. And here I would just look for this section, the owner of record. On the tax roll, this means that this is the owner as listed on the tax collector's website. Now it may differ from the apparent title holder. The apparent title holder is what is listed on the property appraiser's website, and this would definitely be the person who is owed the surplus. This is the previous owner. And the reason that this one may differ is because this person, the owner, may have their tax bills mailed somewhere else. So this very well could have a different name and a different address, a different mailing address. And then I'm going to scroll down, and these are just documents that they have put in that have to do with what they looked up, how they looked up the owner, and who's the if there are any probate documents and things like that. These are not liens, it's just information. I want to keep on going down, and you want, if there are any mortgages on the property, they would be listed under here. And encumbrances, those are liens, and they have one here, and they have the book and page number, which you can also look up on the official record website. Once you have your list of your books and page numbers, then you would use the official record website to look up those. And this is a Volusia County's official record website. You just enter the book and the page number and submit, and it will show you what that document is, and if it's a lien, how much it is. And then you can determine if it's a good record or not by how much surplus there is versus how much the liens might be.